If you're new, hi, welcome back. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to another video. So yeah, I am back in Gabz. I arrived this morning. I was traveling and it's so cold, like wait till August deceived us, guys. At first I thought, no, the people would say, you know, yay, it's a problem. It's so cold. Like I'm literally wearing like 1, 2, and then this cardigan on top. That's how cold it is. I just didn't expect it, you know. So it's kind of like, because it caught me off guard, it's way more than I thought. Like it's extremely cold. But yeah, my cousins and I are gonna go to the mall. We just need to get a few things. So I thought I should take you guys with me. My plan was actually to stay the whole day and just watch movies or something. But yeah, we do need to get some things. So I thought before I go on and on and on in this vlog without saying hi, I should come here and say hi. So yeah, hi. Bye guys, we'll chat later. Hey guys, in this very gloomy weather, hi. Today's a Sunday, so basically yesterday we went out. We just bought like veggies for the house, nothing hectic, and then we went to KFC. We decided to eat in, so we literally sat there for hours, I kid you not, just catching up and chatting and everything. So yeah, so that's why I didn't really vlog much yesterday. And then later on in the day or at evening, my other cousin came and he said we should go to the shops. He got me CFC. Yeah, that chicken chippies. And it's so hot, like it's so chilly. So this morning, like I have a running stomach and my stomach is so painful. Like it's really extremely painful. But I promised my friend that I'm gonna come to her house today. I'm gonna go to her house. So like it's on my head. At least we'll be indoors. But like we're not going anywhere. So that's where I'm headed to now. Where I'm gonna pass by another friend's place to get something, then head to my friend's place, like I said. So yeah, I'm wearing this coat of mine and this jersey. Guys, we see Jessie in disappointed. Like this whole outfit disappointed me. I thought these two colors were the same and it's gonna be dope and everything. I can't find my black hat and my hair is a mess, so I just had to wear this one. I don't know what happened, guys, but since it why, I don't know. How, I don't know. But somebody's gonna have to pay for my things. Like it's a lot of things, I can't even get into it, but I'm really annoyed. But you know what, let's just go. Let me play a song, then we can go to Heyyyy Sweets. So yeah, let's bounce. Guys, what's your number? Okay. So I just passed. Let me check if my windows are closed. So I was saying, I just passed by. I don't even know if I should call it the rainbow circle anymore. But yeah, I know the rainbow circle. Hey guys, yeah. I don't even know what's key. Yeah, I almost panicked. But yeah, it's nice to see some progress, ne? Yeah, okay. It's impressive. So yeah, I managed to get what I had to get. And as usual, it was literally supposed to be a pick up and go type of thing. But I realized kenale about an hour and a half. Even I don't believe it. But yeah, now I'm heading to my friend's house. Fingers crossed for this girl decided to treat me like a guest. I can pay some lunch because I'm quite hungry. Anyway, let's go. Guys, I'm so shocked. Like, I'm shocked in a very nice way. Like, I like it. I love to see it. Like, yeah. I'm sure most of us, or a lot of us, are not familiar with the road thing. But it's not bad. Like, it's not dramatic. I didn't expect to see that. Because Lantaki Boni, like the... Okay, when I go back home, I'll show you guys. But Lantaki Boni, I'm making a stone, have a lot done. But those things, did I have on the lane that I was like the first lane? So I'm wondering, huh? What's the line? Can they are bonds on over like similar shift to the left? Wow. It's so nice. It's nice. Huh? One day there is a GPS again. But yeah, I will catch you guys in a bit. Let me concentrate on the road. I'm vlogging. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a là la qui t'imite? Here, friend.
Thank you, friend. Like
literally I wanna how to how ka komela ka hal ne ke le hal wa bona hal ne ke le gone ho so it's the other streets. So you guys, I made it. Yeah. After such a struggle. Guys, how cute is this? Talent. Got it fresh flowers at that. Why talk on it? Why? I'm not tasty. Come on, another vision. Yes. That one or didn't. That is nice though.
Yeah, it's really nice, I guess.
She built it. She killed it.
Every time this woman has stood in front of us, she's given us everything.
Hey guys, today's a Tuesday, and I haven't been vlogging. Well, yesterday I didn't vlog. I was just up to nothing really, like nothing interesting at all. So hence why my voice is like this, but I'll be good. I'll be okay. But I'm like a lot. Thing is, I feel like it's summer, so get the weekend like it's bar, and then I think it's like a because it gets really cold with you. Anyway, agenda for today. I'm wearing this bonnet because my cousin did wig lines on me. I was so motivated to wear like wigs and stuff like that. I haven't been wearing wigs a lot this year actually, so I thought I asked her to do these wig lines, and then I thought I was gonna wash my wigs. I had the momentum. I was so motivated to do that, but not anymore. I think because I know it's so windy, I thought maybe it's not a good idea. But I thought about that after doing wig lines, so at least I'm just home doing nothing interesting. Well, today I'm gonna go out, but I'm gonna wear a hat because all of my wigs need washing and intense care. Okay, So I'm just gonna do that in a couple of days. I'll just do them maybe like 2 a day. Just wash them, see what to do. Okay, just prep them for when I need them. Anyway, agenda for today, I'm waiting for a client. She's coming to fix a nail. Then we're gonna go to Game City. We need to go to the bank. Yeah, we need to go to the bank together. So that's what we're gonna do with that client who's also a friend. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Then I'm gonna come back home, get the kids, take them out for pizza. So yeah, I think that's about it. They started bathing now. Hopefully it won't take long at the bank. I really hope so, hey? So yeah, I just thought, let me vlog because this vlog has to go up tomorrow. And now I've just been demotivated to vlog. But I wasn't up to anything, so I wasn't just gonna stay at the camera and do nothing, really. So yeah, let's wait. Guys, my eyebrows are not the same. It's so annoying. I don't know what happened to this eyebrow, but it's just so thin, and I really didn't like do anything to it this side and up here. I just removed some small hairs this side. I use a tweezer, so I twist some hair out. It's so weird. It's so weird. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Lagi baik aku? Wow. Wow. Wow.
I'm the one who choose the pizza.
They smell nice.
Yeah. Don't you know that pizza smells nice?
It does.
But this one smells super nice.
Wow.
Better than this one.
Yeah.
Let's smell this one. But it smells chilly. I don't think I can eat it.
You can. It's not that chilly. So let me take a picture of you. You look cute. Hi, Oba. What's up?
Yeah. And I eat it.
Are you excited for the pizza?
Yes.
So what?
Nice. Double cheese pizza and so hot. Thank you, Mr. Pizza. The challenge is not eating pizza.
Apparently I should include this in the vlog, guys. She's receiving her lunch. Hi guys, so I think you guys can tell that it's very late. Okay, I'm literally editing this vlog and I'm realizing I actually don't have an intro, and I know why. When I got home, it was literally time for prayer, so yeah, I jumped into that and then I started editing this vlog. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much you guys for watching, and we've literally just reached 600 subscribers. Thank you so much you guys. I really appreciate it. Like I really do appreciate it. So yeah, the last few clips we went to Game City, like you guys saw. We went to Debonair's. We got my mom some steak and pap from the bar place. She doesn't really like pizza, so that's that. So now when we were having the pizza, like it's like literally I'm not eating. So my cousin got me a quarter chicken meal. How nice of him. From Nando's, I wanted wings or winglets, but for some weird reason there are no wings anyway, like chicken leg and high energy wings, KFC high energy wings. What is going on? Like, can somebody please supply them with wings? Because I like wings, guys. I love wings. But anyway, we'll get into that another time. So yeah, then we went to American Swiss. We were dropping lunch for my friend. Then we just looked around the shop and they have a sale. So we labored a watch there, which I don't know what we're gonna do with it yet, because I like the watch, but my cousin was considering getting that for his partner. So that's since I'm really buying, we'll see. So we'll see who gets it. If I get it, I'll show you guys. But yeah, they do have a sale going on. It's very nice, so you guys should swing by. And as for Wakang, she's really nice. She'll help you and you'll be happy, okay? So yeah, there's so much nice in the house. But anyway, thank you so much you guys for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in my next video.